Hey everyone, looking to enhance your Last Goddess gameplay with free rewards? Here's how you can find and redeem promo codes. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your device. The search bar, type Last Goddess promo codes and hit enter. You'll find various websites offering active codes. Step 2. Choose a reliable source. Websites that list promo codes, for example, Game Pretty, regularly updates its list with new codes like OREHFI, ATQSVX, NUYAOJ. Step 3. Select a code that suits your needs. For instance, OREHFI is a recent addition. Copy the code to your clipboard. Step 4. Launch the Last Goddess on your device. Step 5. Navigate to your profile and tap on Promotion Code. Paste the copied code to the provided field and press Activate. If the code is valid, you'll receive your rewards instantly. And that's it. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience with Last Goddess. Thank you for watching this video.